Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Nature and the Wild. So today we are going to dive into the world of the wildlife photography and especially the bird photography, and I will give you the top 10 reasons why this tiny camera from Canon EOS R7 is the most perfect camera for your next adventure. So stay tuned with me and we're going to discuss those 10 reasons why you should buy this. Hey guys, so here is the official specification of this camera, Canon R7. As you can see on the screen, it has a dual pixel CMOS autofocus system which can track the animal, track the people, and also in the vehicles. So it's a very high and advanced autofocus system. It can shoot up to 15 frames per second and also 30 frames per second when you put this camera on electronic shutter mode. It has a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor, which is a crop sensor. It has a very high sensitivity of the low light focusing. It can reach up to 32,000 of ISO. It can record full and 4K videos. It has the in-body image stabilization, and it has a DZX processor, which is very responsive. And let's dive into those points, why we should buy this camera, why this camera is very good for wildlife photography. So guys, in our list, the first point is the high resolution APS-C sensor. So this camera is equipped with 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor. So that means the more resolutions, more clear picture, and this will allow you to record all the tiny details of the object. Second in the list is the advanced autofocus system. R7 has a very advanced autofocus system that makes sure you won't miss a chance on the field. It has a very advanced eye tracking system which allows you to track the subject while it's moving or while it's just sitting. In every challenging condition, it's nailed the shot. Coming up in the list, number third, is the low light performance. Of course, wildlife is not just fun, it also comes with very challenging conditions. So when you are shooting in a very low light conditions, like the sun is going down or sun is coming up early in the morning or late in the evening, R7 keep up with the situation. It has very high ISO sensitivity and very high tolerance with the dark images with lot of noise. It can reach up to 32,000. Out, I have shoot couple of pictures even in the night 2:30 with a very shallow light, and the pictures qualities were amazing. Little bit with the post processing, you will get a very nice quality of the picture. Next in the list is the build quality. This camera looks tiny, but still the build quality is very nice. In the wildlife, if we have gear like this, and it need to be very tough, and it should withstand with the different harsh conditions out in the wild. So this camera I've been using more than a year, and it never disappoints. Whether it is cold or extreme hot, this camera always perform at its best. It's weather shield, so during the rain, if you are shooting in the rainy season, there is no problem. Absolutely, all the lenses from Canon also, they are weather shield. So you have a gear which is very sturdy and very nice built-in quality. So guys, the next point we really need in our daily wildlife photography, we just can't live without that. That is a high-speed shooting mode. Yes, Canon R7 has a very high-speed shooting mode, which classified as 15 frames per second on a continuous shooting, and if you put the camera on electronic shutter, you will get 30 frames per second. So from my personal experience, how this camera performed with me when I was in India, I was shooting a lot of black kites, and they were just driving into the canal and get their prey. And I had a Lexar memory card which has 180 Mbps writing speed, and I put my camera on 15 frames per second, and absolutely stunning. I captured each and every moment. I didn't miss anything. So it's highly recommended, this camera for the wildlife photography. So guys, the next point is very interesting for all of us. we all used to have those old EF lenses for the DSLR cameras, and then these new R systems came into the market, and they came with a very compatible mode. So you just need to buy a RF to EF converter and you are able to use all those old lenses with this camera. So from personal, I used to have a 150 by 600 Sigma, and I used that lens with this body with the EF RF to EF converter. I never had any issues. Fast, accurate, spot on. So this camera is very versatile with all kind of lenses, whether it's a prime or it's a zoom lens, or you have Sigma, or you have RF mount lenses, all the new lenses from Canon. It works perfectly fine. The autofocus system is fast and accurate. You never lag and you never miss a chance. So guys, this next point is really surprised me. Canon did a very nice job with this camera, put an in-body image stabilization. And this image stabilization, many people ask me the question, really works with the cooperation of the lens. Whatever lens you are going to use, if that lens also has an IS installed, like I use RF 100 to 500, it has an in-body image stabilization. They both work together and make sure you got very nice pictures when you are capturing you're taking the pictures handheld it. And this is really a nice surprise from the Canon, how they did a very amazing job exterior of the camera. They placed each and every button on a different places, and which is very ergonomic. After you are getting used to a couple of days, you will see how easy it is to access each and every button just using your thumb, and you can set up and customize every button as per your need. So everything is so nicely placed on this camera, and you will just focus on your subject and you will see how easy to access everything. So guys, R7 is really great camera. It's not just allow you to get and capture very nice wildlife or bird images, it's also allow you to capture very nice videos. This camera is equipped with a 4K 60 frame per second video, which is very high definitions, and you can capture each and every action movements with nice details. And I always capture the nice 4K 60 frame and then little bit do the post processings, and they are really cinematic. When you really put them on your social media or on your page, they really stand out. So guys, here are all my points about this new Canon EOS R7, and how we're gonna use it in the field, why you should buy it, what are the pros. This is a really versatile camera for you. So I hope you like and enjoyed my video. Please leave your comments, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you to the next episode.